Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I want to talk about group orders. And this is what I do whenever I'm trying to hunt for the lowest premium for like a random silver piece. So for this example, I want to show you an American Silver Eagle price breakdown. And as you can see, the more eagles you buy, the less you'll pay for every ounce. And I don't have enough to buy 500 eagles at a time to get that 1704. So what I'll do is I'll hook up with some trusted people. We'll all, pool together, get one large order, and then we, divvy up what we paid for. Alternatively, if you're, buddy with your LCS, your local coin shop owner, you can convince them to portion out a part of their order, depending on where they purchase their silver from, and portion it out so you can get part of the savings. And maybe they'll charge you, let's say, 1734 instead of 1704. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Southside Stacker. See you in the next one.